Hey YouTube, I'm back with another plane that I just found at this airport. It's the Airbus A380, and I think this one's even harder to find than the 747. If you haven't seen that one, I also made that video too, so you can go and check it out. But here, there's the A380, which is aka the largest passenger plane on this planet. It is fully 2 levels, which is really insane, and it has 2 massive engines. So it's also really cool to see this plane. And this plane is a beast that has massive wheels compared to that person right there. It has massive cockpit. It's 2 levels. You can't really see it, but it's 2 levels. And it has 2 massive engines. It's a cool spiral thing on them. So it's really cool to see this plane.